compact cars sold depends on price, and it's inversely proportional, which means as the price of the car goes up, the number of the cars they're going to be able to sell goes down, which makes sense if they get more expensive. And then part C here specifically was solve the equation F of P equals 400 and explain what it means. Okay, so back here in part A, it looks like you got this part great where we were given F of 6,000, and that means we knew the price. And so we're dividing the 12 million by 6,000, getting out the number of cars. For part C here, we're given the number, this side of the equation, what you would think of as kind of like the Y, and we're trying to solve for what we would think of more as the X. So let me show you what that would look like over here. So F of P, the number sold, is 400, and then 12 million divided by P. And so now I need to get P out of the denominator here because this is not helping me out with that downstairs. So let's clear that denominator by multiplying, since it's 12 million divided by P, I'm going to multiply both sides by P, and then what that lets me do is get it out of the denominator and over to the other side of the equation where I can get at it. So I think that was the right number of zeros, cool. And so now this is up where I can solve for it, and I just finish it off by dividing out the 400. If I had tried to divide the 12 million over this way, I would have solved for 1 over P, which isn't what we want. We want P by itself. So we got that. And that would be, what would that be? 4 goes into that 30,000, I think, if I did my places right. So what that means is when the price is $30,000, the number of cars sold will be 400. Hopefully that helps.